Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a product review of the August home lock system. This is the system where you can lock and unlock your house either using a keypad or using your smartphone. Check out the description down below and I'll put links to all three of the products that I'm going to show you. Comes with this piece right here. I'm on the inside of my front door and I also have the keypad on the outside, which is this guy right here, which is really nice. And then the third piece to all this to make it all come together is this is the Wi-Fi bridge, sort of the Wi-Fi connector. So here's the way the system works, and here's what's so awesome about it. We purchased this house and it already had the system existing. So the person before us used this as a tool because they had this house as an Airbnb, so they needed to let a lot of people in and out of the door, and it's a really great way to do it. So also on the application, you can open the door for people, you can close the door for people, you can also give them a temporary pass, and they put in their code on the outside and then they can get into the door. Every time it locks or unlocks, by the way, it sends you a notification and it tells you, hey, this code entered the door at this time and then this code locked the door at this time. It's absolutely amazing. So we got this and I have fallen in love with this thing. It is so nice. You're never gonna lock yourself out of your house. If your neighbors wanna come over and they're gonna help you with something, you can unlock the door for them. Really convenient. So that's how the front door works. And basically what happens is inside this unit here, there are four AA batteries and they're kind of stacked. Two here and two here, and it has a little motor inside here, so basically it can just open and close on its own, and I'll show you a little bit more detail on how that works, and then we'll put this cap back on here as well. It just holds with magnets, so it's kind of nifty. And then the other thing that happens is the little Wi-Fi bridge. This bridge makes it so that you can use this and open and close and unlock and get all those transmissions via the internet. So basically wherever you are in the world with this little device, you can get all that stuff. By the way, I'll put links to all three of these in the description down below and you can check out more details and pricing and all that kind of stuff. If I'm at work or something like that and I'm not sure if I locked the front door, I can easily go on here and double check and make sure that it's locked. Pretty cool. All right, let's try opening and closing it one time. So right now it's unlocked. I'll go to my keypad right here and I'll put in my code. And now we'll watch the front door. There it is. Okay, I pressed it again and then I'll show you how to unlock it right there. By the way, when leaving the house, all you have to do is push the red button on the keypad and it locks the door. Pretty neat, pretty nifty. And this guy here, by the way, it has just a couple batteries, so there's no wires you have to hook up or anything like that. I'll kind of take it off and you can see, but just two AAA batteries that go in here. And then this guy just pops on. So it's easy, there's no wires, there's nothing like that. Awesome product if you need people in and out of your house quite a bit. Or if you just want to have it, like we have 3 kids and now I don't have to worry about giving them a key and them losing the key and their friends finding the key or whatever. They can always come up here. Not only that, but if I give each one of my kids a different little combo lock, I know exactly which one of my kids came in the door. I know exactly which one of my kids left the door. Pretty darn amazing. All right, friends, listen, I hope this video helped you out. Give it a thumbs up if it did. We'll see you next time. Hey, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.